to Salmon Lake. The interesting thing of Salmon Lake is one side looks like the sun, and one side looks like the moon. It's in the middle of Taiwan. I like to go there because I can eat many food. I like to go to Yangmingshan. The interesting of Yangmingshan is there is lots of fresh air. I like to go there because I will feel very comfortable. I like to go to Taipei 101. It's in Taipei. Inside there, it is a department store. It had been the highest building in the world. Bye bye.
Okay, Susan.
Dear Jennifer, I'm your pen pal Susan. Today I will introduce 3 places in Taiwan. Number 1, Taipei 101. It's one of the tallest buildings in the world. It's 101 floors. I like it because I can go shopping there. It looks like this. Number 2, Taipei Children's Recreation Center. There's a small amusement park. We can ride the merry-go-round or the spinning teacups. There are bumpers cars too. I like it because there is fun.